Hi everyone, I am going to tell you how to add custom number format for the Microsoft Word documents. For example, you can add page. First one is a cover page, there is a no number. Second, third, fourth papers should be numbers, Roman numbers like this. Fifth, sixth and seventh paper should be the Hindu Arabic numbers like this. Okay, now I am going to add this number. First, I am going to add section break here, end of the first page, and I go to the I go to the layout, click on breaks. You can find this one, section break, next page. Okay, I add a section break for the end of the first page. That means first page include in first sections. Okay, then I am going to add this is the second section. This is the second section. Okay, click on this one. This is the first section. This is the second section now. Okay, now I am going to add third sections. Third section should start in 1 2 3 4 fifth page. Okay, third section should start in fifth page. Okay, we are going to find fifth page. This is the fifth page. For the add section for the fifth page, go to the page number 4 and inserts layout breaks, section breaks. Okay, now we have section 3, first section, second sections and third section for the fifth, sixth pages. Okay, now I am going to unlink each sections. Go to the click on this one, footer section, then you can find, go to the second sections, you can find this button, link to previous, unlink this one. Okay, go to the third section, starting point of third section, this is the page, click on link to previous, that means unclick this one. Okay, now I am going to double check this one. There is a no link between first section and to second section, and now there is a no link between third section and second section. Now I am going to add page number. Go to the section number 2, insert page number, go to the custom, go to the format page number and select this one as the Roman number. Click on start at this one, untick this one. Okay, now click on OK. Then go to the page number and find the positions. I find the bottom of page, this positions. Okay, now you can see the first section is a no numbers, that means half page. Second sections start from Roman number 1. This is the number 2. This is the number 3. This Roman number only for sections 2. Okay, now you can see these sections link with previous one, unlink, and I am going to remove page number for the section number 3. Go to insert page number, remove page number. Okay, now there is a no page number for section 3. Now I am going to add again page numbers. Go to insert, click on page number and format page number, starting from here 1 2 3, start from 1. Okay, click on it and go to a page number, bottom page number, select this one. Okay friends, Now I think our task is complete. First page is no numbers, second, third, fourth page with the Roman numbers, and this page, fifth and sixth page, Hindu Arabic numbers. Okay, we are going to add another page, insert, okay, home, insert blank page. Okay, it's take number 3. Okay, I think this will be helpful for you. So if you have any problems related to this one, you can comment below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for next video.